Welcome to the Saudi Expatriates channel. We bring you the latest updates and news from Saudi Arabia. Today, we have some exciting news for Hajj pilgrims this season. This year's Hajj pilgrims will have the unique opportunity to use flying taxis and drones, according to Saudi Minister of Transport and Logistics Saleh Al-Jasser. These innovations, along with taxi apps, represent the modern forms of transportation being introduced. After the arrival of the first group of 283 international pilgrims at Madinah's Prince Mohammed bin Abdulaziz International Airport from India on a Saudi Airlines flight, Al-Jasser made this exciting announcement during a news briefing. Among the several measures taken in preparation for this Hajj pilgrimage, Al-Jasser highlighted the allocation of significant funds. This year, more than 27,000 buses will be available to help pilgrims get around, and 7,700 aircraft will be operating from the 6 airports. To further facilitate the completion of Hajj rituals, pilgrims can take advantage of the Al-Mashair Al-Muqaddasa metro line and the Haramain high-speed railway, which are scheduled to operate more than 5,000 trips during this Hajj season. Al-Jasser emphasized that the Hajj season would see the most advanced transportation options, and it's important to study up on the technology and the best conditions for operating them. We will be at the forefront to benefit from these services, he added. Notably, last year, Al-Jasser mentioned the testing of flying taxis for future Hajj seasons. This year, Hajj pilgrims will be able to use flying taxis that Saudi Arabian Airlines announced earlier to transport them from Jeddah's King Abdulaziz International Airport to Makkah hotels. To run the service, Saudi plans to purchase about 100 aircraft. According to Abdullah Al-Sharani, the Saudi national carrier is planning to implement air taxis as an additional means of transportation during the Hajj season. In January, he announced that 100 Lilium Jets, electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL), planes manufactured in Germany, have been purchased by the Saudi Group. These planes will be used as shuttles between the airport in Jeddah and the airstrips at hotels in Makkah, close to the Grand Mosque and other holy sites. The Lilium Jets are among the first airplanes to operate entirely on electric power. After all preparations are finalized, the planes will transport pilgrims from Jeddah's King Abdulaziz International Airport to Makkah's airstrips near the Grand Mosque during the Hajj and Umrah seasons. These air taxis are mini commercial planes that take passengers on short trips as needed. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Don't forget to visit SaudiExpatriates.com and follow us on social media for the latest news and information. Until next time, stay informed and stay connected.